Okay, guys, last time we spoke about lead vocals effect. Now we're going to talk about the drum effect. People are texting me, asking me for instruction, like how do I use my drum reverb and how do I EQ it. I'm going to show you guys exactly how my drum sounds like and how I apply the effect on the drum bass. So here we go. Just listen to the drums without the effect. I'm going to take off the effect and so you can listen to the drums only. That is the drums without no effect, just the EQ and the compression. So listen to the drums now with the effect. Without the effect, with effect. With the bass and the electric, this is how it sounds like. I'm gonna take away the effects. Listen. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna show you exactly how I send my drums to the effect. The effect I'm using right now on the drums, ambience, right? The ambience, I usually go to the home, effect number 2, bass 14. I'll go and send everything through here. So let me show you how I EQ the effect for the effect to sound exactly how I want it to sound. Remember, you have the power to make the drum sound however you want it to sound. How do I show you? I don't know, but you're gonna have to play with your ears and listen to the songs that you're usually trying to emulate and to make it sound like that. So the damping is usually like in the 5K. I would diffuse in the 30. The level of my eye probably like a 1 dB or 2 dB, depends. The pre-delay is always 30 millisecond, and the decay is usually in the 2 second, and that's it. Sometimes I'll put like on the 3, but the size I want it to sound really big in the house, in the room. So the size is like 80 or 84. Sometimes I will go to 90, depends how many instruments are playing. And usually we just go and play around. Like the low cut, I will cut it to 97. Why? Because I have I send the tom, the rock tom and the float tom here. I'll literally leave like the 97, 96, 95, just so I can get a low cut a little bit. And the high cut, I will leave in the 5K. That's how I usually go with my drums. I do not send the kick on the drum bass. Don't ever do that, guys, because it's gonna make a lot of noises. It's almost like how keyboard player, there's a keyboard players that literally love to play keys, but they keep holding the pedal. So when you play and you're holding the pedal, there's an hum is coming. So they never let it go. And you're trying to figure out like what's wrong is because like the keyboard player is holding the pedal. That's the same way if you send your kick on the ambience effect, it's gonna make those noises, and you'll be looking around like what the heck is going on, and you don't really know what is it. It's because you send the kick on the ambience effect. So don't ever send the ambience effect on the kick. Don't ever send the kick on the ambience effect. I usually send it little bit of the hi-hat, a little bit of the cymbals, and everything else, the snare, the tom, I'll send it so it can sound like this. That's how it can sound like. You heard the difference right there? It's a big difference. If you take it off, sounds like this. And I hope you like it. And guys, please do not forget to subscribe, share, comment, like, and I would love for you guys to keep continuing supporting me as we're trying to help one another. And I hope you come back soon again for new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.